Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about list comprehension in Python. List comprehension is a concise and convenient notation for creating new list. List comprehensions can replace many for statements that iterate over existing sequence and create new list. List comprehensions are another way for performing the same task, and they can replace most for loops like we are going to see over here. First, we are going to create an empty list. List one, and append elements to our list by using for loop for item in range and 1 to 5, not including 5, it will go up to 4, and we are going to append those item to our list. This will be list one dot append and pass in item, and now we can print our item from our list. So it's gonna be print list one. We can check out the output. Now here we have a list of elements, and now we are going to do the same thing with the list comprehension. Let's try that one. A list comprehension looks a little bit like what we do when we create a list in the first place. It's something that's defined inside a set of square brackets, but it consists of an expression, a for keyword. Let's see. We are going to create our second list by using list comprehension. We need square brackets and then item for item in range 1 to 5, and this will so we are saying here is for every item in the range 1 up to but not including 5. In this case, we would like to take that item and add to new list that we are going to create. Let's go ahead and execute our code and evaluate our list 2. Just need to print our list 2. Just save, and we can see that we get the exact same result. And we did not have to call the append method here. What happened here is the comprehension automatically iterated through the range of element we specified over here. And for every item in that range, it simply did what we said to do to the left of the for keyword, and it get added to our list. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.